Hey everyone, welcome to FIFA 2026 DIY series.
We are making the iconic Brazil jersey by hand. You can use it as a keychain, wall hanging, dashboard decoration and back charm and fridge magnet also. The Brazil jersey is done. Now tell me in the comment which is your favorite football team and which FIFA World Cup team jersey DIY would you like to see next. Don't miss the upcoming video in the FIFA World Cup DIY series, so subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.